Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide or unhide apps on Samsung Galaxy F06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course hide or unhide settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. Now type in Hide Apps on Home and App Screens. Make sure you select the correct option when it appears. Ignore any unrelated suggestions like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or auto restart. What you want should be listed under Home Screen Settings. Sometimes, depending on your Samsung phone model or software version, it might appear under Display or Home Screen Layout. Step 4. From the search results, tap on Hide Apps on Home and App Screens. When you're inside, tap on Hide Apps on Home and App Screens again. Once you're inside, you'll see a complete list of all the apps installed on your phone. From here, you can scroll through or search for the apps that you'd like to hide. Step 5. For the last and most important step, to hide an app, simply tap on its icon and it will move to the Hidden Apps list at the top. You can select one or multiple apps. Once you're done choosing, tap the Done button at the bottom of the screen. The apps you selected will now disappear from your home screen and apps drawer, keeping them hidden from plain sight. To confirm they're hidden, just go back to your apps drawer and try searching for the app. It should no longer appear. Step 6. If you ever want to bring those apps back, just repeat the same steps. Go to Settings, search Hide Apps, open it. Now uncheck or deselect the apps you previously hid. Tap Done, and they'll reappear in your apps drawer and home screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.